Yo, welcome back to another trade recap. This is August 12th, and today I actually lost money. Honestly, it wasn't because of me, it was just because of um the President Trump decided to take out a news, this one right here, in the middle of the trade that I was in. Like when he published this, I was already in a trade, which is was like I mean, there's nothing we can personally do, you feel me? But hopefully he doesn't do the same thing tomorrow. But this news, obviously it affected the market because I mean of this, you feel me? And plus, yeah, it actually went down, as you can see. It was this one right here? Where is it? What's it drawing? This one right here. Which I mean, we kind of needed it. Why? Because we was already going up. As you can see, was kind of already going up too much. You feel me? Like this, even before the even market opened. But I mean, I didn't expect this. It was last minute, I think, which caused me to fail. Well, not failed. Take me out of the my trade that I took, which my bias was actually bullish for the day, as you guys can see, because we was right here. So we already created a lower high. Obviously, we're gonna take out these and this and go to the all-time highs again. Obviously, tomorrow is probably gonna be bullish. Why? Because we are at all-time highs. We don't wanna go against the trend, especially at all-time highs. So yeah. But yeah, it was bullish, very, very bullish for me. And as you guys can see on the Nasdaq, created a S&P, a S&P SMT. You see a super liquidity, a breaker structure, hella break structure, big ass candlestick, and then when market open, you feel me? There was this 5 minute fair value gap, which, as you guys can see, we couldn't even close um beyond the 50%, like, which was very very good. Um, where did I take the trade? Hold on, cause I think I moved it. Not sure where I took it for sure. Let me see. Oh, there we go. I took it around there. I'll start it right here, and yeah, it actually went up, but again, the news came out around this time. It was 10 hours before. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah, around this time. Which honestly, if Trump didn't had sending that news out, I would have hit my TP and would have made around like a 1.84, which is not bad. But again, I got stopped out. I mean, I waited for all my confluences. So this is the trade that I actually would have be proud of taking a lose, if you may say it. Why? Because I followed my strategy, waited for a fair value gap, waited for a closure above the 79, the point 79%, which was this. It was very strong. Placed my trade, boom. Placed my stop loss beneath it, and my TPs all the way over to all-time highs. Um, but at the end of the day, it took us out because of the news. Which it's fine, and but we could have gone it. We could have re-entered. This is honestly the time that I would say re-enter your trades. But yeah. So we actually created again. We created SMT liquidity sweep. You feel me? So this is when market already has settled. The news already come out. So I would have waited 10, 9. It would be 9 for me, but it's 10 right here because of the different time zones. It actually hit a order block, which was this. Hit it. I would have entered on this order block. Hold on. Yeah, I would have waited for a 79 on percent, which would have been this. Boom. Well, we'll break structure. Well, yeah, break structure. And then boom, boom. Stop loss around right here. Target all-time highs, which we created a fair value gap. Which will create a fair value gap, and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, create a fair value gap. So my stop loss would have been protected by a fair value gap, and yeah, it will be protected by a fair value gap, which is amazing. So this is the trade that I would have taken. I would have taken if I had I actually watched it, but I actually got off the markets early. Why? Because I mean I was in school, so as you guys know, they don't allow phones nor personal laptops on school property. So I was trying to do it on secret. But at the end of the day, it's like hard to do it, cause I mean, the teachers are watching. You feel me? And I try to do everything possible to take a trade, but the teachers, they won't let me. Which is, I mean, yeah, there's nothing we can do. Why? Because it's a state law. But it is what it is. I'ma still take trades even if I get in trouble, because this is what I'm trying to do in my life. So I don't care. But yeah, if I wanted to take a more aggressive entry, like alright, break structure, boom, like around here, dog. Oops. Yeah, because we broke structure on this one. Nah, nah. I think that should. That's the one that. Excuse me. That's the one that I would have took. Cause this one wouldn't make sense. We would have just hit the order block. Boom. I don't think it's gonna go this way. And boom. Yeah, that's very unrealistic. But yeah. I try I wouldn't took because that would have been so risky. I'm just telling you, bro. Like it would have been so risky. But this is a trade that I would have taken. A 2.47, not bad. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow there's no news. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I'm gonna keep a lookout in case it does to take my trades off, so I can wait like 30 minutes past it. And also tonight I try to stay on the charts as much as I can during my second period. I mean, I think I got like good setup. Why? Cause I'm like in the back of the class, so there's pretty much nobody can see me. So yeah, I'm gonna try to stay on the market some more longer. But yeah, it's gonna be difficult this year because they don't allow phones, nor personal laptops, nor nothing. Um, yeah, I don't know how. I'm just gonna have to sneak my phone in, bro. At this point. But yeah, I'm also thinking of getting my first funded account, which would have been which it's on top step. I'm gonna get a 50K. Um, but yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow, hopefully we're not at all-time highs, like all-time highs, like peak, like peak. Like I want us to be like right here or around there, so we can target some higher highs. I mean, yeah, higher highs. So we can target these, for example, not just and not just gamble. You feel me? But yeah, overall, my bias was correctly. Like my bias is on point, bro. It's just my entries. Like my bias is so on point. Most of the days I get it right. Like maybe twice or one time I get it wrong. Um, yeah, twice or one day I get it wrong, and then the rest they're on point, which is amazing. I'll say it's experience. I've been doing this for around 6 months already. Around 6 months. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, it is gonna be difficult for me this school year. Why? Because they won't allow phones, but we'll make it work somehow. Some miracle, you feel me? We'll make it work, bro. Cause I'm gonna tell you right now, nobody's stopping me from trading. Cause this is the profession that I wanna be. Like this is the work that I want to work at. You feel me? This is work for me, which nobody can take it away from me. No matter how um how they think of me, or you feel me, something. Yeah, no matter how many times they tell me, oh nah, this isn't for you, I'm gonna keep going. Cause I not gonna lie, it is fun. I like the work. It's way better than um a regular job, I'll say. But yeah, I just like trading more. You feel me? I mean, if it's there, I mean, yeah. Since I was later, I didn't actually like a job. Like I didn't like, I didn't like to be a doctor. astronaut or something like that. I honestly was trying to find out something, cause I mean, I honestly don't want to be like a bum. You feel me? So I find it trading. Um, I actually did everything. I actually did everything. Not gonna lie. I did drop shipping, e-coms, meme coin. I tried to do also, but I think it was last month. I didn't like it honestly. It just like it's too fast. It's like you gotta keep a lot of tabs open. It's just ain't for me. You feel me? And drop shipping that actually worked, but there were some issues, so I had to, you know, um, I had to stop for a bit. I am planning on doing incomes again, later on, but I'll let you guys know. But I found trading, and then I found trading. I think after I couldn't excuse me, after I couldn't after I couldn't proceed with the drop shipping thingy, I found trading. I got really interested into it. I mean, I already had a knowledge on it, like 2 years from three. Yeah, when I was 15, I already had like a little bit of knowledge, but I didn't take it as serious as I I took it this year. So yeah, this is the year that I actually took it. So technically, I'm into it I'm into it like 3 years. You feel me? But those 2 years, yeah, I'm in like a 2 years. Yeah, but 2 years and a few months, 6 months, I think. But yeah, those first 2 years I didn't take it serious. But the 6 months I actually did, and there are some improvements because I am taking it serious now. I'm not just joking around. But yeah, I love trading, but sometimes yeah, it is difficult, especially if you get FOMO into a trade, which is you get desperate into taking one. And yeah, I mean that's the only bad side, and I mean kind of it is fun. You feel me? I mean it's not the only bad side, but I mean I like it. It's pretty fun. But yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping, and I see you tomorrow if I take trades. If not, I'm gonna post it about it that no trades. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, Trump don't do this again. Come comes with the news mid trade, bruh. Mid trade, just the market just dumped for a bit and then recover again. It is what it is. I didn't expect it. But yeah, yeah, that's about it, guys. See you guys tomorrow.